Row, row, row your boat. Now, probably if you know this song, you're used to hearing it much faster, like row, row, row your boat gently down, but it's going to be hard to play it that fast maybe in the beginning. So I'm going to take it a little bit slower, especially since it's in 3/4 time. So check this out. Thumb on middle C, left hand on the C chord, and at some point your left hand's going to cross over to play this C right here, treble C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, crossover. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, both hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, of course, you might get faster at it, and then you could maybe play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.